since we work with all the manufacturers, if there's a new machine that goes out, there's a very good chance that it's our wheels on that machine. Premier Band Wheel and Equipment Limited, been around since 1995. We're the world's biggest manufacturer of bandsaw wheels. I'm second generation in here. I bought the company out from my dad, which had been in the industry for 40 years prior to that. I don't believe there's many mills that aren't around that don't have one of our wheels in it. We've been around for a long time. We started out with just a couple of the OEMs, and that's all we needed. And now with manufacturing getting bigger and more production, everybody's wanting things quicker. So we had to amp up larger manufacturing area. We're in a 16,000 square foot shop now in Maple Ridge, and it's full fab. The only thing we're subcontracting now is our heat treating procedures. Everything else is done in-house. We say we're going to do something, we do it. We have a 100% backing from the company. We're still batting 1,000. We've never done one that didn't work, and that's in the history of our wheels. Yeah, well, if they do have a breakdown, it's unfortunate, but we can offer immediate help. Okay, we can pick up the wheel from wherever it's at. If it's coming out of the United States into Canada, we can take care of all the customs brokerage, get it repaired, and return back to them as quick as possible. Breakdowns are something that are unplanned and very important for a sawmill to be running, because, like I said earlier, it's the first piece of machinery that touches the wood, and without that machinery, that band mill running the head rig, the rest of the sawmill's left non-operational. So we work 24 hours a day. We do the engineering, work with the OEMs if needed, and get them back up and running as quick as humanly possible.